as a tip from a world traveller, one thing that we have done is we do book at the last minute. Sometimes plans change, sometimes we drive past another hotel. We've done this every single trip. Why do we do this? We always book only the first and last night of a city, usually. Sometimes we're just traveling all day long. Most hotels, especially if you're out of season, they have rooms. Most hotels have rooms, and the price always goes down the later it is. The later it is, the prices always go down, especially if you don't go somewhere which is, central London. Even in central London that happens. Why do they do that? Because they know that you'll probably eat in the restaurant. If you come late, if you come at 7 o'clock to a hotel, you might spend, say a hotel is 400 quid and they give it to you for 150 quid. And then you eat in the hotel, you'll probably spend 150 quid for dinner there. This is how it works. And then you'll probably have breakfast as well. And then, they get another, £100 out of you. Most breakfasts in big hotels are buffets. They have to make the same amount of food, whatever happens. And it always gets thrown away. Which means it's better for them to fill the rooms. It's a risk, of course, but that's how hotels work. They don't, there's no benefit as a business model. There's absolutely no benefit in keeping it empty. They probably have a ceiling price on it. But when you come in, it's better, if someone pays 400 quid for the hotel and doesn't do dinner and breakfast, that's a loss versus someone who comes in and pays 150 quid and then spends another £500-600 in the hotel from dinner and breakfast and lunch and mooching around. It's obviously better than having no one come into that room that night. And the chances are, the later the room gets, they probably have statistics of after 8 o'clock, it's very unlikely someone's going to turn up.